right, check this out from SyncWire. This is one of the coolest accessories for your smartphone, especially ones with MagSafe on it. So you pop that on right there, and it's a very strong, solid connection. And what this is going to do is give you a little ring. This is great if you want to hold it like that, or you can spin it around and hold it like that, or you can balance it. But the other cool part to this specific one is that it pulls out even more. So now when you set it down, like on the table, you can have it sitting up a little bit better. You can kind of angle it exactly how you want. You can really fine tune it. And yeah, it's a really, really solid idea. And it's a great little stand. And I like that you can just pull it off like that, pop it on when you want, spin it around, and it folds down really nice and compact. Barely even notice it on your phone. It is one of the best ones out there. If you didn't have MagSafe, it does come with 2 different adhesive magnetic rings that you could put on your phone or case in case your case doesn't have it. But overall, amazing quality, really good design. Highly recommend it, and thanks for watching.